Father. I don't know how I could speak. I don't know how I could speak. My tear is burning my cheek. My tear is burning my cheek. And now I'm feeling so weak. Life is getting much harder. Father Haydar, oh Haydar, wish you were here, oh Father. Wounds on my heart you would peel. Your touch would make my pain heal. I know you know how I feel. Your eyes makes me feel better. Father Haydar, oh Haydar, wished you were here, oh Father. Your son went to Al-Qami. He never came back to me. Your son went to Al-Qami. He never came back to me. What shall